Hi guys, my name is Kyle, and then today we're playing some more Flutterscape. Actually, I made I made two videos in one day, and this is a different Flutterscape, guys. And I'm here with my friend Edwin. I don't have his phone number yet because soon I will have it. But why am I not jumping? But guys, I'm gonna review this game. Somebody just got exposed. I'm gonna okay, guys. So. Okay, guys. So, this is what I'm wearing. Right now, I have new pants. This on. Take that off. Y'all gonna look good. You already know the drill. I'm gonna go follow Edwin. See what he's playing, see what he's doing. And he just changed to superhero, and I just changed from superhero. This don't make no flipping sense. His superhero costume is very nice. And, all that blah 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 blah. We're doing good on the game. Skip Edwin. Lag on me anymore. Sorry about the lag, guys. Someone already clicked the button. That button is technically click forever because you guys saw me play this last time. Well, in this video. Guys, I might just end up leaving this game because the game looks like it sucks. I'm right in front of Edward. Looks like he's stuck. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Hey. Okay, guys. Really lagging right now. And I just fell into lava. What's good, Edwin? Yes. I was just playing.